Welcome to our ice maker comparison. Today we are diving into the features and performance of two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one is right for you? Let's explore their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to ice production, both the COWSAR and EUHOMY ice makers are impressive. The COWSAR model can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, while the EUHOMY slightly trails with a capacity of 26 pounds. Both machines can create 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them ideal for quick ice needs. However, if you require just a bit more ice daily, the COWSAR might have the edge. Noise levels are an important consideration for any appliance. The COWSAR Ice Maker operates at a noise level of less than 42 decibels, making it relatively quiet. In contrast, the EUHOMY model operates at a slightly higher noise level of less than 45 decibels. While both are designed for quiet operation, the COWSAR may be the better choice for those sensitive to noise. Design can greatly influence your choice. The COWSAR Ice Maker features a sleek black design, while the EUHOMY model comes in a stylish silver finish and includes a convenient handle for portability. Both machines are compact, but the EUHOMY's handle makes it easier to transport, especially for outdoor activities or gatherings. Choose based on your aesthetic preference and portability needs. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and EUHOMY ice makers offer excellent features for quick and efficient ice production. If you prioritize a slightly higher ice production capacity and quieter operation, the COWSAR might be the way to go. However, if you value portability and a stylish design, the EUHOMY could be your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.